Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.61. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has faced a decline of 34.91%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 1.34% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which could represent a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $256.68 be breached, it would signal a more pronounced decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 26.52% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 36.19% to positive 27.79%. In terms of a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 15.89%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 22.69% and positive 66.92% over the next year. Based on current figures, this would translate to a future price range of between $228.52 and $493.37. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for UnitedHealth Group. The UnitedHealth Group stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.371% on the last trading day, Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025. Falling from $296.67 to $295.57. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.76%, with a low of $291.64 and a high of $299.70. It has dropped in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decrease of 22.35% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume trends should align with the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 10 million shares, bringing the total volume to 16 million shares, amounting to approximately $4.67 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the stock price stands 53.14%, or $335.16, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. UnitedHealth Group, ticker UNH, is currently facing notable challenges that may affect its stock performance. Recent reports have surfaced regarding a potential class action lawsuit for securities fraud, inviting investors who have incurred losses to participate. Such legal scrutiny often leads to heightened volatility and uncertainty in the short term, typically resulting in a decline in stock prices as investor confidence diminishes. Additionally, a report indicated that UnitedHealth shares have recently dropped significantly following a disclosure by the Wall Street Journal about a criminal investigation by the Department of Justice. These types of reports can foster a negative perception of the company, intensifying the selling pressure on its stock. Despite these challenges, some analysts maintain an optimistic view on UnitedHealth, suggesting that specific investment strategies and enhanced public relations efforts could stabilize and potentially improve the stock in the long run. Analysts emphasize that, with strategic adjustments, there remains a possibility for recovery, as the market often rewards companies that can effectively navigate through legal difficulties. However, in the near term, the combination of legal disputes and negative news presents a tough environment for UnitedHealth, which may lead to ongoing declines in stock prices unless the company addresses these challenges decisively. Investors should closely monitor these developments as they unfold, considering their potential impact on both short-term fluctuations and long-term valuations. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a reduced grade along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 20th of May 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research rated UNH as outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May 2025, it was recorded that Cowen and Company gave UNH a hold grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated UNH as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform grade along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of UnitedHealth Group. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Today, the stock is sending mixed signals. The UnitedHealth Group stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $299.85 and $422.95. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. The trading volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which decreases the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 15, 2025, and thus far, it has increased by 7.73%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 5 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average issued a sell signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 24 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 27 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $291.91. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.06 between its high and low, equating to a change of 2.76%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.17%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.47. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $302.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $291.91. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider sell of 2,525 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, John F. Rex conducted an insider buy of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley also conducted an insider buy of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider buy of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grants the right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider buy of 1,533 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 87.594. Overall, insiders purchased 1,043,538 shares and sold 72,964 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of May, we predict that UnitedHealth Group will open higher by approximately 7 cents, starting at $295.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.